Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So this video, I'm going to share with you what I picked up from Elcloud Jones, like an update on it. So, my repair manuals, I looked the first lot up on, I showed you on the camera, and then the second lot I looked up, and most of them are just lot ups. There's a few that I'm going to list individually, but most are just lot ups, because the ones that take forever to sell, or just aren't not worth really anything, I'm just going to lot up for it and do $2 a piece plus shipping, and then I might round up to $49.99 plus shipping, or I might just stick at $43.99. Not really sure. I'm thinking about rounding up to $49.99, and then if I get an offer, someone might offer me down to like $2 a manual, like $44 plus shipping, and then I'll take it, and I'll get $44 plus shipping. That's my goal. But we'll see though. Maybe someone will buy it for a full asking price, but not. I'll gladly take. Someone offered me $2 like right away. I'd gladly take it. $2 a book, I would take it right away, plus shipping. So yeah. And then, yeah, most of the repair manuals I'm gonna list are common, or like ones that are popular, like Ford Mustang, Mercury Capri. Like nobody's buying it. I mean, there might be a few people that buy it for Mercury Capri. Most are buying it for the Ford Mustang. Most are buying it for like the popular vehicle, and the vehicle that's not popular, and they're not buying it for that one. So most of them are listed in a lot. A few of them are listed individually. Most I'm just lining up. So, but it is what it is though. So, but it is a quick way though to make some money though on this. So if I pay, like I'm thinking $12.76 with fees, shipping, or fees and not shipping, but fees and tax, like 10% buyer's fee, 5% sales tax. I pay $12.76 for them. I sell them big lots, say for $49.99 plus shipping, just say $50. So fees, 12% fee for books, like 14% fee is books. 12% normally was, but for other stuff, but books are like 14%, I believe. Say 14%, so about $7. And then the medium shipping, right? Say $15 shipping. Might be about $10 to $15 shipping probably. So let's just say $15 shipping, so $65. So then 14% of $6.50. So it's $2.10. Okay. So that is $9.10. 65 plus 9. That's $55.90. And then I paid a 15 shipping, so that's $40.90. Okay, and then the 37 fee, so it's there. And then I pay my cost. $12.76. So that's $40.60 plus $12.70. That's 28. So then that's $28. And then I make, and then $20.84. So I'm still gonna be in the profit, $20.84. And there's a few ones that are like I might make a few bucks on, but it's gonna be like a quick like $45, $50 profit on all the manuals. That's what I'm hoping for. The ones that I can make like a few bucks, like more than a few bucks in each one. So yeah, I make about $45, $50 profit. I'm hoping, which would be nice. And then it will kind of look promising, like the repair, like that one MT push I got for free. Most of them are. It's still good, but I can't like really part out anything with the engine. There's a few little things I can part out with the engine. Maybe a flywheel, maybe a dipstick, maybe oil tube and dipstick, if it's the right dipstick. If it's the right dipstick. Or and then where's the flywheel? I might part out. Maybe I can part out two things. For sure, I can part out one thing, the recoil starter, the recoil part. But that is it. That's all I can part out on that thing. Is that. So for sure. Maybe the flywheel. I'm not sure which air filter it is. I'm not sure which one. It's one that does it. And then there's one, both blowers and both air filter kits. So which one is it? Not sure. And then I'm gonna do but yeah, so I got a few listings of songs. But it is kind of promising. And then I got another push for it. Let's do this. So I'm gonna definitely do the first MTE tomorrow, and then I'm definitely gonna do the repair manuals tomorrow, and then I'm gonna do the two then I'm definitely gonna do repair manuals, and then I'm gonna do the mower, then I'm gonna do repair manuals crates, and then I'm gonna be doing the other push one this weekend. Hopefully I can look at that part that out this weekend. But so that'll be nice. So next time, take care.